AWX is trending. This is Tuesday, the 14th of October, 2025, post market session. It gained 83.64% in the regular session, and it seems it has given up close to 20% of those gains. It's now down at $3.82. Okay, let's see what we have. I don't think there's any news out there concerning the stock. Yeah, there's no news there. It was one of the big gainers, it seems, yes, in this session. But the volume wasn't the most active. Okay, so the extrapolation is saying that this pullback we are looking at right now may remain in place at least up till tomorrow's pre-market session. Then after that, there might be an accumulative contraction, and after that, it's just consolidation. Ultimately, that's it's just the consolidation is actually what's been extrapolated, but the early innings of it looks is what we're talking about here. The contraction that has played out now and then a distributive contraction after that, but ultimately the whole picture is a consolidation going all the way towards the 23rd of October. No upward projections at the moment, but we have 7.5 dollars. The 10 and 21 period moving averages, they're all trending. Everything is trending. The 10 period moving average is trending. Derivatives are positive. 21 period moving average trending. Derivatives are positive. I mean, given that it gained 83.64%, is not out of place to see that all the moving averages are trending. The only negative value is the second derivative on its 200 period moving average, indicating that it's losing momentum. Yes, and we have seen that. Even though all of these other ones are positive, you can see it's fractional actually. So it's losing momentum. It's losing momentum. Yeah. So yeah, the momentum is still accelerating. However, this value here is indicating that it's not it wasn't as strong as it was before. Even though Claude is saying it's gaining strength, it's not gaining strength. It has lost the strength, as a matter of fact. Yeah. So the interpretation of all of that is that the extreme price pressure momentum readings, especially the that of the 10 period moving average at 45.12, indicates the stock is in a parabolic uptrend phase, which is typically unsustainable. The dramatic price swings suggest speculative activity was definitely involved, not news driven. Okay, so while the uptrend angle of attack on the shorter term moving averages are aggressive, the high premium to these averages combined with the current pullback of up to 20% suggests increased risk of mean reversion. It has already yeah, okay, well, it's already, if you like, in play. That's play, yeah, already playing out. Anyway, mean reversion will be even lower prices coming down, printing. Yeah, yeah. So that's what's going on. The underlying trend. Let's see what we have on this stock. On the stock's underlying trend. Yeah, okay. It's just gone bullish now. Just maybe just gone neutral, slightly bullish on the 200-day moving average. Yeah, okay. The algos are saying it's going to remain strong up till Thursday. No guarantee that that will be the case. Yeah. Okay, we have upper projection here of 7.5. We're just going to keep that. So here we can see what's going on on the order books. The participation doesn't look that bad. You can see orders attempting to go through, or even going through at various prices, which is an indication that both aggressive and passive traders are involved. In other words, implying that there's some liquidity. There's some liquidity going on. Liquidity meaning people can discover prices. People can discover the prices they want, as against when it's aggressive and illiquid. It's only those who are willing to pay the market order, the market price, the market order, the market, the prevailing price, the price here. This is this price you see on the screen. If a decent number of people begin to accept the market price, then all the others may be sidelined. Yeah, all the others may be sidelined. In other words, they're not discovering their prices they want, and then you see that the volume may not continue to the expansion of the volume may stall. In some cases, you may find out that if the market, if the session opened with aggression, you may find out that it may just be, sometimes it could even just a few thousand shares, and the stock has already spiked to a huge gain of 200%. So that tells you that in such a case, the liquidity is poor. Liquidity is poor. It's not liquid. No, not liquid. You can't transact. There isn't money. Yeah, it's not liquid. If it's liquid, then transactions will be going through. Yeah. So that's what we're looking at right now. Yeah, quite liquid at the moment. Yeah. So there's a caveat on the stock. That has a history of pump and dumps and all that. Yeah. Okay. Just have a look and see what you make of AWX. And thank you very much for watching this video.